Want to create a mini course that sells without months of planning or trying to create it by yourself, or even getting a team or hiring someone to do it for you? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a mini course using simple AI tools such as ChatGPT and Canva. And you can use these and do this even if you are an absolute beginner. So by the end, you'll know how to pick a topic, outline your course, and even know where to market and sell your course as well, so you can make passive income online. And if you're brand new to all of this and you want a simple guide just to give you some ideas on how you can even create your own digital products, then I've created a free guide for you which gives you digital product ideas that you can start, that is beginner friendly. I've linked it down in the description box below. Grab it now. So the easiest way in creating a mini course, or the first step in starting to create your mini course, is choosing a topic. And you can do this by starting with ChatGPT. So let's jump on over to ChatGPT so I can show you how you can get started with creating your mini course in there. Let's go. So first, when you open ChatGPT, it will look like this. So I've come up with a prompt. It says, give me 10 profitable course topic for beginners in, and then you want to choose your niche. So is your niche fitness? So we're going to use fitness as an example. So let's see what ChatGPT does or gives us. So it says, here are 10 profitable course topics for beginners. Number 1, 30 days to stronger, healthier you. Fit from home, the ultimate beginner's body transformation program. So ChatGPT literally gives you 10 idea, and it's still going. It gives you 10 idea for how to create a course or how to come up with a profitable topic for beginners in your niche. So if you already have a niche, if you already have something that you're currently interested in, or something that you have expertise in already, then you put it at the end of this prompt and put it in ChatGPT right here as I did, and it will give you all the ideas together. So that's the first step. So as you saw in the video, ChatGPT literally gave you the ideas of the mini course. So the next step, what you want to do, I don't want you to overthink this. A mini course doesn't have to be long and drawn out. It can be just one simple problem that you're trying to solve for someone. So think about one problem that you can solve with your course. Once you've picked a topic from this, you now have a topic. So now you want to outline your course in ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So we're back in ChatGPT and we're going to put this prompt. So create a course outline. So now we want to outline the course with 5 short lessons. So you're going to use this prompt. So you use the first prompt that I show you, and also you can use this one as well. Teaching beginners how to eat healthier, because we're on the topic of fitness. So let's see what it gives us. So here you are. So you literally have a course title that it gives you. It's going to give you all the lessons that you should put in your mini courses. So first you have the course title, Eat Better, Feel Better, a beginner's guide to healthy eating. So if you're in fitness, you can literally take this and run with it. As I said, it doesn't matter what industry you're in. You just replace this part that I've put this part that says to eat healthier. So anything that you are in, any industry that you're in currently, anything that you know how to do, that you want to teach somebody how to do, you want to show them in your mini course, you want to solve a problem, then you're going to replace this with what you do. It will give you the lessons. So it layouts all the lessons that you're going to put into the mini course. As you can see, it tells you exactly how to do everything. And that's the great thing about ChatGPT. This is going to literally be your assistant. This is going to help you to create any digital products that you want. So even if you don't want to create a course, you can use this the same thing to create a, an ebook, a guide, whatever it is. You can use ChatGPT. So as you can see, it did the outline for us. So let's move on to the next step. So what you want to do after you've got the outline, you want to copy it and just paste it in a simple Google Doc. Then you want to tweak it. You don't want to have AI give you all the information and you just take it and paste it over there. You want to make sure that you refine the information. You want to make sure that it's exactly how you want it to be. Put in your little parts. If you want it to sound exactly like how you talk, whatever it is that you want to fix with it, put it in a Google Doc, make the changes there. Then we move on to the next part. So the next part is designing your mini course outline in Canva. So this is my favorite part. I love using Canva. Canva is a great AI tool, and it has a AI built-in feature right now where you can use to design your courses, your ebooks, all your digital products. You can literally design them in Canva. So now we're in Canva, and we're gonna just put presentation templates. So the presentation template is exactly designed for, a mini course. So we're gonna see what it gives us. So, we have so much idea that it gives you in Canva. So you can choose any one of these. And you remember the prompt that you put in ChatGPT and the outline that it gave you? You're gonna use that exact outline that ChatGPT gave you. You're going to choose any one of these templates, and then you are going to use the magic tool in Canva and literally copy and paste it in any one of these that you choose. And it's easy as that. So you choose any one of these templates, such as this one. You're going to customize it. You're going to make the changes. You can change the colors. You can change the fonts. You can change the size of anything. You can change all these pictures as well. So just make it yours. Make the slide yours. You want to put your branding on it, your logo, whatever it is that you want to do. Make all the necessary changes to match your brand colors, to match everything that you're trying to achieve with it. And if you want to create your course, but you're not comfortable with being on camera, then you can record your voice, over the slides. You can record your voice, and you can also record your voice in Canva, because Canva has a built-in video feature where you can record your voice in there as well if you don't want to show yourself on camera. So you want to keep each lesson short. You want to keep them 5 minutes or less. People love mini courses, so hence the name mini courses. You don't want to take it too long. You don't want to go in too much, wasting of time. You want to make it clear, precise, and straight to the point. Once your lessons are ready, once you took everything from, you started with ChatGPT, then Canva, then it's time to sell, which is my favorite part. You don't need a big platform. You can start with Gumroad, you can use PayHip, you can use StanStore, you can use Beacon Store. Like, there's so many tools that you can literally use to host your course for free. So you have a lot of free tools that you can use to host your course. Next, you're gonna upload your videos and your slide into the tool that you use, and then you're going to set your price that you want to sell it for. So, starting out as a beginner, you can start from 27 up to $47 for your mini course, and you just want to use a simple description, put a simple description in there, and you can use AI to help you with this part as well. Then after you've done this, then you want to start to promote your course on social media. So you can use YouTube for your lead to get your leads from. You can use Instagram, you can use TikTok. You want to make sure that your product solves a problem. And once it is that your product solves a problem, then it's easier to sell, because once people have problems and you have a product that solves it, then they would want to buy it from you. So don't overthink this part. You just want to come up with simple short videos talking about the things that you're doing, talking about the products that you're selling, giving value. So give value every day. Give, and then you will receive. Then the next step is automating and scaling your digital product that you've created, your mini course. Because why would you waste time to create a mini course, to do the design, and then you want to sell it, but there's no automation? Remember, we don't own social media, so we want to make sure that we're getting our customers, we're getting their emails, we're getting their information, so we can put in systems where we can scale. So we want to make sure that we're setting up automation. So you can use system.io, which is a good tool where you can set up your email automations. You can set up landing page, your sale pages. Like System.io is something that has all of those features. You can sell your digital products there. So this is a great tool where you can do everything. You can sell your digital products, you can set up your automation, you can, create a sales page, a landing page, all of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link system.io down below where you can just check it out. So it's free to get an account with them. Once you sign up, it's totally free. So I'll link it down in the description box below so you can check it out. Once it is that you've set up your automation, this is where you make money in your sleep. So once you set up everything, your sales will happen on automatic. So you don't have to do anything else once you've set up your system. So that's how you create a mini course using AI. So you go from ideas to income, even if you're an absolute beginner. And if you want a list of 10 AI side hustle ideas that you can start this week, my free guide is linked in the description box below. You can get that as well. Don't wait for the right moment. Start your AI side hustle today. You can literally choose a side hustle and start putting everything together. By this weekend, you can have a digital product out there ready to sell. Don't overthink it. Don't procrastinate. The life that you want, the life that you dream of, is waiting for you. But it's on the other side of you taking action. So take action on these things that I'm telling you. Take actions on ideas, things that you want to do, and you will see results. So I will see you in the other video that I will post. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video from me. And until then, bye.